The Other Side Media Group and 91X now present The Other Side Radio Show, a program about people who make a difference from all walks of life in Quinte and beyond. And now here are your hosts, Jeremy and Joshua Davis.
Hi, and welcome to The Other Side Radio's homegrown Canadian Kitchen Party special. I'm Jeremy Davis. I'm Joshua Davis, and great to be here. We're going to have a lot of fun. There's a lot of guests in the house, too. Well, we have performances by Dre, Shirley Diane Baker, Deanna Rita Rose, Randy Stewart, Instant Rivalry, and Friends, and more. We also have a special poem by Canadian author J.R. Davis. And this is all done in a socially distanced manner, of course, too. So stay tuned. Happy summer, everyone, and you won't want to miss this.
Here's a song by a new Canadian artist, Shawn Mendes.
After
this one's called Stitches.
I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words come deeper than the night. Now I need someone to breathe and pass by. Got a feeling I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. So quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed till I can't breathe, shaking, falling off of my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a love don't do a thing. Oh, you love me and I couldn't sense a thing. You've been a hot cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I see red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. 'Cause I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me breathe till I can't breathe, shaking, falling off my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Needle and thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle and thread, gotta wind up dead. Needle and thread, gotta get you out of my head, get you out of my head. Needle and thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle and thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle and thread, gotta get you out of my head, get you out of my head. You watch me bleed till I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.
And now we're joined with my brother and my best friend, J.R. Davis, from the Words of Hope book series. Welcome back to the show, and you've got a great seasonal poem for us this week. Well, thank you, Jeremy, and God bless you, and God bless everybody out there, and happy summer to everybody. This poem is entitled, The Old Summer Days. I remember summers long ago when my family used to go down to the old fishing hole. We would sing a song or two, then have a barbecue and a swim too. Oh, how I long for those old summer days when I was a kid and I first met your Grandpa Sid. Going to the fair, my uncle would always win me a teddy bear. I also remember a bunch of us kids would line up at the soda shop asking Mr. Peely for some shiny new tops, sneaking into drive-ins and local sock hops. So you see, little one, those old summer days are never gone away, for just like you, my dear, they're in my heart to stay. The Old Summer Days by Joshua Davis. God bless. I love you. Up next on our very special show, we have a new song from Shirley Diane Baker, We Found Love, followed by the debut of Deanna Rita Rose and Oh Darling.
Half battle is working it out, 'cause love's all that matters in this house. Because without love I got nothing to lose. House built on love won't leave me blue and confused. Without love I got nothing to lose. Born daughter number 2, child number 5. My daddy worked many long hours to keep us all alive. A roof over our heads and food on the table. Walked our way to school even in the winter time. Clothes on our backs and daddy didn't have a dime. You get what you give. Respect is something you had to earn. If making him proud meant being merry and kind, I settled down and what did I find? I found that without love I've got nothing to lose. House built on love won't leave me blue and confused. Without love I got nothing to lose. Life isn't easy and it sure don't come cheap. It's harder than I thought, agreeing to disagree. There's more to a marriage than the simple I do's. If settling down meant being the marrying kind, I settled down and what did I find? I found that without love I've got nothing to lose. A house built on love won't leave me blue and confused. Without love I got nothing to lose. Half the battle is working it out. Love's all that matters in this house. Because without love I've got nothing to lose. House built on love won't leave me blue and confused. Without love I got nothing. Without love I just got nothing. Without love I got nothing to lose.
Oh, darling.
Up next, we welcome back to the show Canadian singer-songwriter and our friend Randy Stewart.
She'd look at me with eyes that I always trusted, like she knew just who I was and didn't care. We'd stay close by my side, morning, noon, and night, till one day she wasn't there. She wasn't there. She'd find a way to cut through my defenses with little things that we both like and share. Cup of coffee in the morning light, a sip of whiskey late at night, till one day she wasn't there. She wasn't there. And I think everyone you meet kind of brings you something. And sometimes it's exactly what you need. A knowing glance, a secret sign, a word to ease your troubled mind. Well, Alice came to teach me to be kind. Well, she'd watch me talk myself into trouble, and all my sad self-pity turned to despair. She'd say, I know you're sad, but don't you like the color of the sky tonight? Till one day she wasn't there. She wasn't there. I think everyone you meet kind of brings you something. Sometimes it's exactly what you need. Knowing glance, a secret sign, a word to ease your troubled mind. Well, Alice came to teach me to be kind. I'm not the man I used to be, and I worry people could see that on my face. And there's a big part of me you just don't see. That part simply got erased. But I know I got no reason to worry. Life gives us all a cross to bear, and all kinds of trouble disappear in the light, and all I gotta do is make it through tonight. Without her there, she's not there. And I think everyone you meet kind of brings you something. And sometimes it's exactly what you need. A knowing glance, a secret sign, a word to ease your troubled mind. Well, Alice came to teach me to be kind. To be kind.
Hi, I'm Caleb.
And I'm Megan, and we are Instant Rivalry. Welcome to Back 40 Productions. This is our recording studio. It is one of the world's only solar-powered recording studios.
When I got the challenge by Jason McCoy, Megan and I put our heads together and thought, let's bring our community, Prince Edward County, together in song.
So we reached out to 21 of our closest musician friends from our hometown. We brought them here to Back 40 Productions to record in a COVID-19 safe manner.
So we're excited to release our first recording and music video that is solar powered under Back 40 Productions.
So without further ado, this is We Are One, written by Jason McCoy and Jim Pieta, performed by Instant Rivalry and Friends. Thanks.
World of worry, world of change.
World alive, rearranged.
Join together in song. We are one. We are one. We have doubts. We have fears. We share the hurt. We share the tears. We are here. We're not alone. We are one. We are one. We are one. Yeah, the miles may divide us, but love will unite us. We will rise and overcome. We are one. We are one. One world, one fight, one heart, one life. Underneath one sun. One breath, one sky, one song, one cry.
Raise your voice and sing along.
We are one. We are one. We are one. We are one.
Keep the faith, take a stand, and be still across the land.
We will win. This will be done.
We are one.
We are one. Do your part. Ease the pain. Stay apart. Break the chain.
We'll join hands when freedom comes.
We are one. We are one. Yeah, the miles may divide us, but the music will unite us. We will rise and overcome. We are one. We are one. One world, one fight, one heart, one life. Underneath one sun. One breath, one sky, one song, one cry. Raise your voice and sing along. We are one. We are one. We are one. We are
Jeremy and I would like to thank you for listening to this great show this week, and thank you to all our special musical guests. But before we go, we have a great surprise for our Mother Darlene Davis, who just celebrated her birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. We love you too. We love you. We will see you next week on the other side. Bye for now. All the best.
The Other Side Radio Show is a production of the Other Side Media Group in association with 91X. Copyright 2020, all rights reserved. Connect on Facebook at The Other Side Media Group, Instagram at Jeremy Tyler Davis, or on YouTube at Jeremy T. Davis, Belleville, Ontario for on-demand episodes and more. Tune in next time for another great episode of The Other Side Radio Show.